All right, welcome back. Inauguration weekend, and the S&P has closed for the third week in a row above the last week's high. We closed this week at 1479, as you can see up here, and we were closed up 3 points for the week, 2.22% for Friday trading. But that is again about 12 points. We closed at 66.75 last Friday, so another we'll call it 12.25 points, not just shy of another percentage point. And the closing prices for 2013 continue to go higher. We're now up a solid 3% for the year, if not a little bit more. So the market continues to draft to the upside. One thing we will notice is we had very good trades again this past week at the Mistrade service, and 5 straight days of good trades. We didn't have a losing trade for the losing week or losing day or week. Obviously, we were up for the week significantly for the trading ideas that we threw out to our members, so that's a good thing. What I see now is a very overbought market. We've been overbought now for about 13 days, so this isn't a new overbought signal, and there's many things that you can look at that are pointing to overbought. Tom DeMark, RSI, many of the stochastics are pointing, but more importantly, the profile that you see here on the interim charts is severely extended. Now, what does this mean? This doesn't mean we can't go higher. We continue to go higher. Matter of fact, we're to the top end of this profile. So any high as possible is what I would tell people right now. Where the danger lies is where the value is in this market. If you're looking at a 2-week, a 1-month, or a 3-month chart here, you can see the value is much further below where we are. Now, the more time that goes by above these value areas, the higher the value areas tend to rise. Last week, I think we were sitting at the end of the week around 1400. So the ES on the 4-hour chart has moved up to almost 1410. This, I think, was down to about 1444 or so. So that's moved up about 8 points. And the big value area, again, on the intraday and the 30-minute chart, or the 2-week chart, this is where the trading has gone for the last 2 weeks, has now moved up considerably here to about the 1465 area. So we are extended, but will we pull back next week? I really don't know. I don't even want to begin to predict. Right now the trend is up and it's difficult to fight. The S&P is very thin, again, not trading very wide today, again, almost just about a 0.5%, maybe 8 points, so just over a 0.5% wide. In the total range today, 71 I think was our bottom. When we traded as high, we ticked it to 81, so we'll call it 10 points. We'll give them 0.75%. So that's where we are, and again, I think you've got to be wise out there. If you're looking for good trade ideas while you learn while you earn is what we say here at Mistrade. We'll see you on the site at mistrade.info, and if you have any questions, as always, drop us an email at info@mistrade.info.